Alright, now you know how to extract portion of a data frame, but how about deleting columns or rows from a data frame? Well, for that, you'd want to use df7.drop, solid drop method. Note that this is also not an in-place operation, so your df7 data frame will not be updated with the deleted column. And yeah, let me delete the city column. You'd pass city for the column name, and then 1. And so the one argument means that you're about to delete columns. That's how you tell Pandas or Python what you're about to delete. When you delete rows, you want to pass 0 there. So, and yeah, here, this is the on-the-fly data frame without the city column there. So again, df7 with city and drop. Let me drop 332 hill st 0, and yeah, hill street is not there. And of course, if you want to update your data frame with the changes, you do that, and then when you print out your df7 data frame, the hill street is not there. And yeah, if you want to drop columns or rows based on indexing, you do a trick like df7 and then point to index, and then what do you want? Well, 0 to 3 maybe. So you're deleting rows, execute that, and you get the 3 rows only. Similarly with columns, and 1 in here. So you get ID, name, and state, the first 3 columns. So if that confused you, df7.index, what that gives you is a series with the names, so with the labels of your index column. So all this. And similarly, columns gives you the names of your columns. So that's how you access the header of your data frame and the index column. And yeah, that was about deleting columns and rows from data frame. If you have questions, just feel free to ask them. And I'll talk to you in the next lecture.